Good morning, students. Today is the second class of SDM. It is a specialization subject of marketing. Last class we have discussed about the concept and the definition of the sales management. Today basically we will discuss about that is the what happened nature of the sales management. So what is nature of the sales management? Nature of the sales management. What is the nature? The nature means the sales management depends on some characteristic. It lies some characteristic on which the whole that is salesman focuses. Now what are the characteristics? Means that is the nature. So we will go to the line by line points describing that is the nature of the sales management. So first of all we will discuss about the goal oriented. What is the goal oriented? What is the goal oriented? Goal means what? The motive. How will achieve our goal? Because as sales management is associated to the management subject, so management has a specific aim. Management has a specific goal. And that is also the same in the sales management. So after all, we know that the business organization or the business stands for the profit. Last class we have already discussed about the prime motive of the business organization or doing business is a profit. Means the profit maximization. Unless the goal is not be clear cut, there is a loss. We should not take the importance of the management. For taking the importance of the management, for finding the various aspects of the management, for finding the different qualities of the management, we have to forward toward we have to move toward how to achieve the goal. Here the salesman or the sales management should focus on the acquiring the goal. The goal oriented must be there. Otherwise there is no study of the sales management, or we cannot find the importance of the sales management. The prime motive must be there. Prime motive means directly we can say it is the what? That is the profit. Because the profit only leads to the success of the management as well as success to the organizations also. Second point, that is what happens, it is a continuous process. Continuous. Because after the goal is planned, after the goal is finalized, we have to move to the process. And we know that the sales management deals with the sales activities. Starting from the small business to starting up to the high turnover business, whatever may be, that is the sales activities, the sales function always runs on continuous basis. It is never ending, never ends. Suppose a salesman starts his own business, carrying his business day-to-day activities, carrying his business function day by day, the month by month, year by year, and all the whatever may that is tools and whatever may be the things are associated, techniques are associated with the sales management, and that is to be carried forward continuously, year by year, till the end of the business. So, I mean, say you can say that is the what happened? It is जब तक बिजनेस चलता है ये सेल्स मैनेजमेंट कभी भी खत्म नहीं होगा, क्योंकि ये जैसे भी है अगर कुछ भी काम कर रहे हैं तो ये ईयर बाय ईयर या मंथ बाय मंथ या फ्रॉम पर्सन टू पर्सन इट इज गोइंग ऑन ओके, इट इज कैरिंग आउट, दैट इज प्रोसेस one to another. So for this purpose we can say that is business, that is the sales management is a what? That is a continuous process. And another that is art, it is a systematic approach. It is a systematic approach. Systematic approach. So my dear students, we know that whatever maybe we are doing, we have to work with some tools, some techniques, some approaches that should be properly managed, the systematic nature. Because we know that if we do the business or the sales activities, whatever may be that is functioning the sales or the sales functions, it will be always follow the systematic manner. The activities, the middle activities cannot be skipped, because each step has its own importance, and that importance we have to recognize in our mind, and that step we have to take into our heart, that is into the sales activities in the sales management. For this category we can say that it is a systematic approach, so that performance will be defined, the performance will be completed, the performance will be evaluated. Otherwise, if you will do that is not in systematic manner, there is a failure in the that is sales management or the sales activities. And another that is what happened, that is marketing and management integration. Marketing see here, marketing is a broader concept. Marketing is a broader concept. The sales management is coming inside that of the marketing management. It means the techniques which are related to the marketing management, that is also involved or that is attached to the sales. Some part is related to that of the sales management. If we say that is the marketing and the sales, it is whatever, just one by one. Marketing is moving forward, means that is after that insight or sales management is following to that of marketing management. So some experts they say that is the marketing management integration is that is the what? Sales management. Is the sales management. That is whatever the methods, whatever the techniques, whatever the concept, whatever the ideas, whatever the aspects is found in the sales management, that is also found in the what band, that is the marketing management. So marketing management gives the blessing to that of the sales management, or we can say that is the sales management is works with the help of the marketing management. So this is the what happened, that is the one of the important, that is nature, or that is the what happened, that is the characteristic of the sales management. Another that is the what happened, different sales or the job different cells or job position. What is the different cells? Because we know that selling, it is not in one hand. The sales person is not only one. It creates an environment, it creates a force, it's teamwork. So, different sales positions are created in the sales management, starting from the sales executive to the sales manager. Each and every position there is associated with the sales. So, the function of the sales cannot be performed by the single person, or we cannot say that he is the only sales manager, he is the sales executive, he is the only one. He may run the business, but for smoothly functioning the business, for smoothly functioning the activities of the sales, the person should depend upon others. So, we can say that is, when we are discussing about the job position, there is various jobs are allotted or created in the sales management or in the sales functions. Okay, so after that what happened, we can say that it is the pervasive function. What is the pervasive function? Pervasive का मतलब है that is universally. That is universally. It is universally का मतलब क्या है? It is whoever starts the business, where, how, it does not relate. That is, matlab, it does not factor, but we can say that it is a pervasive, it is a universally concept. It is a universally, it is what the sales management functions is carried throughout the whole universe. Anywhere, if somebody is starting some business, anywhere in a whole app or in a whole universe, that is, they should follow the characteristic, or that is the nature of the what? That is the sales management. No one can away from this sales or the nature of the sales management. It means you can say that is the function is totally pervasive. It is equal. The techniques, the tools, the functions, the importance, the aspects, all are whatever. It is related to all the same things. No one can do that is separate things. The working mode may be different, but the concept is clear. The concept is one. The techniques is one. The function is the same. The aspect is same. The mode may be the different, but it doesn't. That is, we have to take it, or we can. It is not important to factor that things, but we have to factor that is what happened. Anywhere or at any place, you can start the business, means you have to follow the techniques or the nature or the characteristic of the sales management. So, hence we say that is the what happened. The pervasive function, it says that the universal it is associated, or it universal it is related. So my dear students, so in in the nature of the sales management, these are the very important. One is goal oriented, one is continuous. It is never ending process. Goal oriented, there must be a prime objectives. The primary focus should be given to this point, and we have to follow some systematic manner, unless we cannot reach to our goal. Okay, if we do not follow this approach properly or methods properly, then oriented goal cannot be taken or goal cannot be reached. So another, we also said that is the what when the sales management and that is the marketing, it is a total integrated, or you can say that it is a internal, it is a what is two brother to son of a mother, or we can say that is the what when this is the wider concept, but the sales management is coming under this category. And other also we discussed about that is what when creating the various job positions, or that is the different sales methods what we have find in this nature of the sales. And lastly we have that is discussed about the what, that is the pervasive function, or we can say that is the it is universally in nature. It is universally in nature. That is the what happen, it is the pervasive function. So next we will discuss about the aspect of the what happen, that is the sales management. Dear students, there is some key aspects in the sales management. With the help of one diagram, I will explain you that is what is the aspect of the sales management. Okay, so what is this aspect? It means the total sales management, whatever the different things in when the subject will go ahead, we will find that there so many things will become in this software or in this subject. So basically the sales management is considering the three things, very important parts. So here one is what happened, sales operation. Sales operation means what? That is the team building. It is the team building. Because the success of the optimum sales management means the overall sales, that is sales management, will depend upon the three, that is categories. The overall sales management or the optimum, the final, that is the success of the sales management depends upon the three categories. One is the sales operation, the sales analysis, and the sales strategy. The sales operations means what happened? The team building. Where you can see that is the sale operations, the sale activities. Previously I have already mentioned you that sale functions cannot be done by a single person. So many people are associated with it in order to make the fruitful or make the success of the function of the sales management. It is a combination of people's, or it is a combination of the manpower. Because business function cannot be done by a single person. We know that is when we classify the business category, we know that is the what happens sole proprietor, the partnership, the joint stock companies or whatever may be all the things. As we know that is the sole proprietor is a single man, but he also depends upon the so many people to make successful businessman. For this purpose, whatever may be the functions, whatever may be the functions are associated with, that is, it is created by the team building. If we think about the organizations, whoever large manufacturing or any companies, there are so many people are associated to carry out these functions. It is the activities of many peoples. The peoples should be choose on different area basis, different language basis, different upon their own capabilities, and they have to transfer the knowledge from one person to another. They have to guide to one to another. That will be discussed in the later part, how they are functioning these activities. So we can say that the sales operation means what happened, how to work, how to create the sales management, the sales functions. That is all the things. It is the team building. We can say the small words, we can say that is the team building. Sales operation means that is the sales building. Then it is the what happened, that is the sales strategy. What is the sales strategy? Means we can say that is the sales process. The sales process. After operation or after making the team build, we have to point out this thing, the sales strategy. Sales strategy means that is we have to discuss about what happened. That is mostly sales target must be there. All the things, sales target we have to focus it. Then area territories, sales territory, what you can say, that is the sales territories. And another, that is what happened, very important point you can say, that is the evaluation, that is what happened, establishing the goals and the quotas, the sales quotas. These are operations which are also leading to this. The sales strategy, the sales process will highlight on these things. Sales target, because each and every sales person should be, or the sales force should be given some target. And that target should be fulfilled. It may be the area wise, it may be the 10 to that we can say the area wise, and that is the sales quotas means that is the evaluated. That evaluation. Okay, so all the things what happen, or we can say evaluation, or we can also evaluation, it will comes under the what? That is the sales analysis. Sales analysis. Okay, it is also leading to the what happened? That is the establishes goals. Whatever may be. So, my dear students, the main aspect when we are discussing about the sales management, we have to discuss about the sales operation, because sales operation it is team building. That is what we have already discussed. It is not a single man effort, it is a many men effort to cover the vast areas. Sales strategy, there is some process are there where the sales operations or the sales work can be carried. The sales target, sales territory, sales quotas, all the things are coming under this. And another that is what happened, that is self-analysis means that is what? Reporting. What to report? What to report? The performance. The performance which is carried from these things, that you have to be reported, that you have to be transferred, that the knowledge, the spread must be there in order to carry out the self-management. So my dear students, sales, nature of the sales management and the various aspects of the sales management which are very, very important for the thing coming to the functions of these activities. So we have to take care of the sales operation, sales strategy and the sales analysis, because these are all associated to one another. See, and by carrying all the function of these things is that is the optimal sales management or overall success of sales management. So without this thing, without any of these three things, the sales management cannot be success, or the functions cannot be, that is, carry out, or the cannot be reached to the goal. What we have already discussed in the, that is the nature of the sales management. So another thing what happened, that is the nature of the sales management, and that is the aspect of the sales management, and that is another, we will go to that of the what importance of the sales management. What is the importance? Why we are going for the sales management? As a marketing students, we have to think about that of the various importances, that is importance of the sales management. Why you are going? Why you are studying for the sales management? Let us discuss about the importance. Let us, first of all, I am writing all the points. Thereafter, we will go to the top. What? That is the first thing. So dear students, let us discuss about the importance of the sales management. After nature and the aspect we have to cover, that is the importance of the sales management. Why we are studying the sales management? First of all, realizations of the organizational objectives. When we are doing the sales, we have to know what are our objectives. Every individual objectives makes the organizational objectives. Those who will work in the sales activities, they have set up their mind the one goal, their individual goal. What is their role? What are their own responsibilities? That will lead to that is the organizational objectives. As we know, that is the sales function cannot be carried by the single person. It is a many persons, high manpower. So we have to manage the sales force by giving the right job to the right persons. We have to focus their own responsibilities to them. You have to collect the data from them. We have to analyze, we have to interpret the data, whatever we have carried out, how they have carried the functions. Because we have to keep a bind relationship with the customer and as well as the marketing strategies, all the things. And that, for this purpose, we have to manage the sales force. Very, very important point this one is. Okay? And all the things, after all, we have to see that is the what? Better planning. Unless we plan, we cannot success the management. That we know very well. Because planning is the foremost important function of the management. Similarly, here is also when we are going to cut off the importance of the sales management, we have to focus on the planning. Whatever we will do the work, we have to plan. Because planning leads to the success. So, better giving the right person to the right job, focusing the organizational objectives. This is only lead to the results. It is possible with the better planning. And all the things, it is associated with the what happened? That is the maximization. Sales maximizations, that is what? All the functions lead to the what? Improve the sales. Improve the sales. When the sales will be improved, when the sales will be maximum, it will continue the flow of the what? Money. And that lead to the growth and the survival of the business organization. And another fifth point, it is the build the strong relationship. The strong relationship among the persons, among the management, those who are working in the sales management. So build up the strong relationship between. Okay? And another, what happened? Optimize distributions. Because the sales force is not a single, it is related to the one place. It is vast area. The distribution functions to be carried out properly. So it is also lead to the distributions things. Because we have to carry the goods to the right place. Collecting the goods from one place and giving to the destination places, it is there is the importance of the sales management. And 8 top management decision making, all are related to the higher level management. The decisions to be carried out from the top of the management. Who are the top persons are also associated to the sales management peoples. Maybe senior sales officers, they should be execute, they will be guide to the juniors. So the aids, the help from the top management is there in order to take the decisions regarding the marketing control, regarding the product control, regarding that is whatever may be the discount factor, whatever may be related, all the decision must be there. And another, it is what? Improve the profitability. If you will plan properly, if you will analyze the things, if you will go through the importance of the the sales management and you will activate properly, then it is definitely, I will say, that is profitable steps should be there, or the organization should moving toward the profitable positions. Okay, my dear students, last two functions, that is what? It develop the personnel. Yes, when you are going, there is a promotional subject is there, there is promotional activities also there. So success lead to the promotional. So it is also whatever who are working in the organizations, in the sales organization, they are also have their own development. So development personnel is also there. And last, that is what when we can say that is it is a product development. Because today in the cutthroat competitions, many companies emerging their own product. The development of existing product must be there. The company should create the new product. The company should know the wanting of the customers. If we will away from the product development, we cannot go for the success of the organization. So this is all the importance. So today we have already discussed about the nature, the aspect and the importance of the sales management. Next class will objective and other many more things. So stay home, stay safe and have a nice day. Thank you.